Okay, so these are my license plate light. Everything you see on the floor, that's straight from the license plate. The reverse lights are something else too. Holy crap! Yo, that's insane! Wow. Connected, white LED, white LED. Alright, so this video we are going to install some more LED lights. This is going to be right here on the license plate because Mercedes decided to make everything LED except for the reverse lights. So as you can see, this nasty looking halogen, disgusting blah, ew, you know? Alright, let's go to the trunk. So, coming from the side, you can reach in here and you see this, the white one. You just gotta twist it up and then you just slowly pull it out. So you can just pull this guy out. That's pretty much the difference in size. You just... You'll see it look like this. Yeah, okay, that's beautiful, man. That is so much better. During the night, it's so bright. When it actually like lights up this entire wall over here. Alright guys, that's how we do it. Alright, let's go to the trunk. The only one we have is this guy over here. I do have another one. It's this. So yeah, let's get that started. Okay. And done. This one, to get this off, so basically it's just 4 of this T20 screw, and there is some fasteners or whatever, so I'm gonna just take that off. So I managed to get these two off. It's pretty hard when you don't have the right tools. Alright, so let me show it to you like this. So right here, so that just came off. I can just wiggle this off just like this. Okay, so I got that off. Alright, we unlock it, boom! Next, what I want to do is change the license plate lights. They don't look that great, they're pretty dim. You gotta take off this whole interior liner. All you gotta do is pop this. There's one up here, and there's another up here. And this one. Should be pretty easy. Alright, so with everything kind of just taken off, I can probably pull most of it out. Disconnect this. Yeah, so there's a parking button. Just gotta disconnect that from here. Probably a lot easier taking off the trunk liner. The only way to access it is, you see these couple, there's like these pry points over here. We gotta basically wedge on it and then just rip everything out. So I managed to pry off them all. You'll see there'll be like 3 orange tabs here, here, and there. The hardest part will be this, but there's a trick to that. Basically, you go here, and this thing, you pull down on it. Just like this. Once you pull that down, you can push this out. Once you push that out, you can just remove it. And that's the old frame. There's actually 2 clips on the back. You gotta take out the plate from the behind. That's how you take all of these guys off. Here are the new LEDs, and I bought the wrong one. Otherwise, this would have been plug and play. I'm going to show you how to retrofit them with some extra tools, and it'll work just as if it was OEM. Pretty much what I'm going to do is just cut off the end over here, have it soldered on. Connector should be able to just pull that off. Put some on that like that. And all this brown. New connector. This is our new one, and what I did was I just snapped the sides off and push this in. Yeah, there you go. It'll stick on pretty well. Sorry for the bad camera angle, but yeah, that's basically it. And this guy basically is going to connect to that guy right back there. It shouldn't come off at all, even after a little rattle or whatever. Done. Push P. Moment of truth. Okay. These are bright in the daytime. Like, so now what I'm gonna do is just basically put the cover on, put the whole thing back on, and trunk liner is very easy to put back on. Just slide it in and button everything up. Don't forget the emergency release button switch and screw everything back on. Everything is looking nice and pretty bright. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. And yeah, I'm gonna remove that AMG badge.